Who doesn't want to keep their house clean and germ-free? A lot of us assume that phenyl is great at doing this, but the surprising reality is that it only kills 50% of the germs. Lizol revealed this fact with the hashtag #NoMoreHalf-Truths campaign, and we built an AR filter to support the campaign to educate consumers about this, the truth about phenyl. Garnering over 675,000 impressions, 10,000 videos captured with over 300,000 views, and that Lizol, with its 99% germ-killing power, is the better option. Try it here.